Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can assign a team member on Evernote to your tasks. So let us dive into this. So head over to Evernote, log into your account and navigate to tasks here to the left. Next, what you want to do, guys, is navigate through your tasks, and here to the very right you will see that column assigned to. So if you'd like to assign the given task to someone or someone to the given task, click into it. And after that, guys, you will see that customization window. So here next to assign to, click into it and simply invite someone via email, for instance, to join the given task, or if the given user is already has access to your space, has been invited to it, you can simply enter the username here. For example, let me invite myself. Click into assign, click into save, and now as you can see, if I refresh the page, the assignee will be visible here to the right for the given task. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.